Hi, thanks for checking out another one of our videos here. This is just a kind of a review, overview video of this particular unit. It's one that we worked on for a customer and got it fixed up and going again. So if you got a Speedrite 36000R or even a StayFix M36R or M36, they're all the same on the inside, just a different colored case. But these big ones like this is recommended to be worked on by a place like myself, just because there's a lot going on. They're pretty cumbersome to fiddle with, so you got to know what you're doing to do it right. So if you want to send us something for us to work on, send it on in. But we do work on all brands and ages, even the old stuff from 40-50 years ago. We'll still tinker on. If we can't fix it, we don't charge enough for looking at it. So it just costs you a little freight to get it here, and after that we'll give you a quote on it. So this is a 110, 120 volt model. So we'll plug it in here, and you see the little lights going back and forth. Clicking along like it's supposed to. Put our tester on here. I'm getting a little over 9,000 volts out of it. It's a 36 output joule unit, so it packs a pretty good punch. So we'll unplug it real quick. We'll do a little spark jump across things so you can see it working here. Camera can't detect it. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Maybe that'll help. Maybe if you zoom back, step back a little bit. Alright, so it's working like it's supposed to. The camera just has a hard time picking up the flash from when it's sparking, but it's got a hell of a spark jumping from it. So a pretty hot unit. They don't make this particular model anymore. It was replaced by the Speedrite 45,000W or 46,000W. I think it's 45,000W. It's some big 45 joule unit, but parts don't make for this thing, so you can still get them fixed. So they're not throwaway yet, but they're pretty finicky on the inside. You gotta do them right, or they won't work right, or you'll make it a lot worse than what it has to be. So these are recommended to be repaired by places like myself. It says right there, no user serviceable parts inside. Return appointed service agent for repair. So you return it to a place like myself and we'll fix it for you. At least go through it first and then get you a quote on it. So, but I don't mind working on them. They're kind of a cumbersome thing to do, but you do enough of them, kind of learn little tricks of how to do them, and we'll makes it a little easier to fix, even though they are still a little bit of a pain to go through and figure out sometimes. But yeah, send us in a repairable unit like this, a StayFix M36R or Speedrite 36000R, or even their big one, their 63000R or their StayFix M63R. We'll work on any of those things. Well, that's it for this little video. If you got one that needs to be worked on, send on in here and we'll get her looked at. Bye-bye.